What are these? These are just cards, guys, just cards. Like many of people come to me as like what we need to do, what we need to help. Please show us the card. Basically, you just need to have trust to a tarot reader or a psychic. Whenever you go to a psychic, you just need to build a trust. You need to have trust. Why you always keep on asking for show the cards, show the cards all the time? If she's not showing you the cards, it doesn't mean she may lie or she may not. But you need to trust whenever you go to psychic or a tarot reader. Basically, when you go to a psychic reader, you will be in a conscious mind, in a big conscious mind. You don't know what to do, what not to do, and you will be asking random questions. So cards are sometimes accurate, sometimes they are not, depending on the situation and the energies. So what you need to do is, like, whenever you go to a psyche, ask from a card. Basically, you will get a relevant answer. And being a psychic, I'm born as a star seed, a natural born star seed. So I can channel a message for you even without seeing cards. Most of my readings I do even without watching my cards. I can channel any message, whatever I get from a spirit guide, ancestors, angels, universe. So what I feel is what I say through my intuition. I don't need cards all time to guide you. I can even say many things without card. Like, you don't need to be a coach even, or even like many of you are like teaching tarot reading to many people. But are is your life is solved? Your life is going solved or not? You must be knowing it, right? So you will be having more difficulties whenever you teach someone tarot, and whenever you come in a tarot line, most of you are already going through many difficulties over here. There are many narcissistic tarot readers, those who have already gone through a lot in their past, and they find answers through tarot reading. Many of the tarot readers also have gone through a bad pain in their past. So whatever comes in their journey, they are like just healing themselves through the through the other clients reading. So you don't have to do all this coach. If some of your neighbor is a tarot reader or psychic, you don't need to copy them or come in this line, because most of people are here only for money, and most of people here only want money. I'm not saying that don't earn money, don't do tarot reading, but whenever you come in this line, think and come. And whenever you want to shuffle cards, just shuffle. This is just an object. This is just a piece of paper which is showing you a particular fortune. But are you getting an accurate fortune telling, and are you getting an accurate answers from it? You can know the meaning of card. Knowing the meaning of card doesn't mean that you are a tarot reader. You have to have a big psychic abilities. In 5 days you can be a tarot reader. In 5 days you can be a psychic. Everyone can be a psychic. It is very easy thing. Don't judge me as I'm saying as per my perception, because there is no judgment involved in this. So basically, you can know the meaning of these cards by seeing the pictures. You can know the meaning of the card by reading a book. But are you channeling message by the cards? Are you channeling a message by an object? So you need to channel. Any person can be a psychic, guys. Like, every person has their own strong abilities, strong psychic powers. But most of people don't know where their psychic powers are and where their psychic powers based on. Nowadays, everyone can be a psychic reader, a healer. It's not difficult to be a tarot reader or a psychic. If you want to be, you can be, but it doesn't mean you need to learn the meaning of cards all time. You need to be a coach all time and teach every time a tarot reading. In just 5 days, no one can become a tarot reader, especially a pro. No one can beat it. Me, in 1 year, I didn't become a pro. In 2 years, I'm crossing 2 years now, basically. So I didn't become a pro because I want to learn more about my spiritual line. I want to learn more about my tarot cards. I want to more channelize people around me. I want to more help. Even I do for money. I do everything basically for money because it's my professional job. I am taking it a long way. So are you doing that? Even if you are doing part-time, how many reviews you are getting, how many clients you are getting? Like, most of people I see in YouTube, Instagram or Facebook, people tend to make fake reviews. Why are you putting so many fake reviews? No one will see and come to you by putting so many reviews. You need to put your talent inside it, whatever you are channelizing, because whatever I channelized, most of time it turned out to be true. Are you so much aware that, like, most of our tarot readers think that they can predict future and whatever is happening? Don't become so much overconfident whenever you are coming in a spiritual line, because universe don't serve overconfident people in spiritual line. And most of the other thing I can tell you, like, you don't need to you don't need to be sad, because there's no judgment. I'm not judging anyone over here again. You just need to be if you want to be a psychic, you just need to channelize anything. Like I have so many psychic friends. I have one friend who don't even do tarot reading, but as a gift I have given her tarot cards, and she do perfect tarot reading. Plus she even channelized messages for me without tarot reading, and she don't need tarot. She channelized message just automatically. For most of the others, I don't know, but you don't need to know the meaning of cards. How many times you will shuffle, because most of the time you will get an accurate answer, most of the time you will not. And your present is always depend on your future. Your future will be never accurate, guys. Even if you go to an astrologer, even they don't know their future. Not even I don't know my future. I never predict the future in what will happen in coming 5 years. I never do that silly things. And whenever I predict, I always try to predict in a month or a days or a weeks what can happen with you. Even if I'm doing with my tarot card, or whenever I'm having an intuition, I take out my cards, I take out my stones, or any object I can channelize. I even make paintings, and also I can even channelize by paintings whatever you are going through, what you can go. Okay, I can read your face, what's going in your eyes, I can read your eyes. So everyone has their own talents. Most of them think that they are the tarot readers, and newly tarot readers, those who are coming in this line, you always copy others and you try to pretend that you are a good tarot reader. That is not a good effort, I will say. You have to make your own ideas. Giving fake reviews on Instagram, Facebook will not work. On YouTube either, it will not work. You have to channelize, start channelizing, start doing meditation, start empowering your own energy, and you will get lots of message through the spirit guides. Like I take help from my spirits, even in my tarot reading, even in my with my own intuition. Like whatever my gut feeling says, I do that. I can even say right now what is happening with you all. Right now, most of you are going through a lot of pain. You are having a heartbreak right now, and most of your business has been stopped again. But most of you will be going to travel around this April, this May, for someone, for meeting someone. You and most of the people are gossiping about you right now behind your back. So this right now, I got just channel message. Whoever is watching this video, or whomsoever I'm getting energies of, I can sense it. So I said it particularly. I didn't need a card. So right now I will be giving a short reading on an object. I have kept two objects over here. One is kitty cat, and second is this daisy duck. Okay, so you have to choose any between any of them. Meditate and choose. Okay, so let's see what your message is for kitty cat. Those who have chosen this cute little kitty cat. So let's see. Well, I feel like most of you are here mystics, most of you are here witches, most of you are here tarot reader basically, and you are still going through a lot. You are like kind of selfish kind of ladies over here or men over here. You think you are the only one right now, and whatever journey you are taking for step, you can always make it in a flexible way. But there is something lacking behind with you right now, and you are just walking throughout. You are walking throughout all the time, and you are searching for your food, for your pentacles basically. So you are also like quite type of person. You always seek like what will happen with you now, because most of your things are still didn't solve till now. So you will be walking through your way a lot. Simply with daisy duck, those who have chosen second object as daisy duck, I can say with this object, like you are the one who tend to be happy right now. You are not happy from inside right now. You show people that okay, I'm a very happy, joyful kind of person, but inside you, your heart is paining a lot, and you are searching for a deep love, your deep admirer. You never like, you think like people don't admire you, like you still want to be pretty, you still want to be like everyone should give importance to me, why everyone is not giving importance to me. So I am sensing this kind of energy. You can be in a playful energy right now. You want to play a lot more. You don't want to be serious in life right now. You are just like going in a not serious energy. You are not in a serious mode basically right now. Basically, you want to be in a playful mode. You want love, a deep love. You want everything in your way basically. And behind your back, I can sense many people are making fun of you. So this was my reading for pile to those who have chosen daisy duck. So my message for you all is, whenever you go to a tarot reading or learning a tarot course, do no need to cheat others. Or if your neighbor is already doing that work, you don't need to do same work if you're an other professional, because you would be disturbing your own professional, your own work, your own hobby. Even if you are doing it as a hobby, do it from heart. Don't do it for money. Money can come and go. Simple. And if you want to help people in a good way. Don't see cards and tell message. And even from other people out here, especially viewers, if you are going through tarot reader, you don't need a card meaning all the time. Even like, you can be yourself a tarot reader, you can be yourself as a psychic. You know your power, you're worth it, and everyone has that power basically. So you don't need all time to see the cards. Don't tell tarot reader, show me the cards all time. If you have a trust in them, do tarot reading. Even if they will not show. Basically, I show cards whenever I do my reading. I do for myself, even in YouTube. Many of YouTubers are doing tarot reading right now, and they are doing good job basically for themselves, but most of them are narcissistic. They are not happy from inside. And but I am doing for myself. I don't care how many views I'm getting, how many subscribers I'm getting right now, but I'm doing my own hard work just for you all. So because I love doing pickup eye reading for you all, because I want to help you more. What messages I'm getting, so I want to help you more. So it's in you what you take it, how you take it, but don't ask a tarot reader to show me a card. Okay, card meaning show me a card picture, because you don't know your future. Nor a tarot reader, no, nor a psyche, no, not even astrologer or Hindu pandits or Maulvis and all. Sorry if you feel bad for any religious thing occur here, but no one knows their future, what's gonna happen next, because no future is particularly accurate. So I can tell you your days or month if you want, what can happen next, even in your career, even in your love life, what can happen next, but not future basically, because future is never accurate. And in spiritual journey or anything, energies keep on changing. Moon energies keep on changing. Sun, moon, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, so many planets occurs if you see in astrological way. But for me, energies keep on changing every damn time, so there is no judgment in it, right? So hope you have liked my video and hope you have gained some knowledge before going to any tarot reader or learning about tarot. This object is the most heavy object. It's not for everyone actually. Like, most of my friends come to me and they say me, where have you learned from tarot reading, when they do tarot reading from me, or they want to copy me basically, and they want to do same work by saying. So I don't appreciate such a people. When you are already saying your friend is doing, why you want to come in same line? Even like you are already happy in your own work, then why you want to know about tarot? This is just an object, a spiritual object. Whenever you will pick up these cards, you will feel heavy in body, you will feel heavy in your mind, you will feel like little weird at times. But for those who are star seed and those who have come naturally in this line, like I didn't learn a tarot like this tarot, traditional tarot. I never learn. Whatever I'm saying through my intuition. So this is a message for you all, or for you all. Never use card meaning and never show a card picture. Or whenever you go to a tarot reader, don't ask always for a card. Show me the card. Show me the card. So it's not any sense, right? So it's all about trust. Have trust and go to a tarot reader. Basically, most of you, if you are doing even a course out here, you will have more difficult stages coming around, because no spiritual journey is easy. Whenever you will enter a spiritual journey, like I came here naturally, like my still journey is not over in a positive way. I'm still facing many problems. No one life is perfect. Like many people show us like, okay, I'm perfect, I have everything, I am whatever. No one life is perfect. Even if you are stalking me, so please see this video again if you want to. This is a message for you all tarot reader, psychic, and even my clients, subscribers. Thank you for your love, support. Bye bye.